guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, my name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I wanted to bring you two DIYs that I'm making for my new bathroom that I'm renovating, and I wanted some decor, so I decided to make a couple different pieces for it. The first piece, I am reusing some of this wood. I don't know if you guys recall, I made this mailbox a while back, and I took it apart because I just found we weren't really using it, so I didn't want to throw out all this wood, so I decided to reuse it. So I'm just giving it a quick sanding and before I do anything else. This is a really quick and easy DIY. So if you're stopping by at my channel for the very first time, welcome. I would love it if you consider subscribing. I do these type of DIYs 3 times a week on my channel. Starting today is when my new schedule starts, because I have started 2 new channels and divided my channel into 3 channels. So I have Domestic Diva DIY, and then I have Domestic Diva Cooking and Domestic Diva Home. So if you want to check out any other channels, they will be linked down below. Currently I do not have any content on Home and Cooking because I am starting on Friday with those channels. But for my DIY channel, I am will be posting Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and then any other days that I might be participating in a challenge or a collab. So as you can see, I am using a chalk marker to just write stuff, but I didn't make a little boo-boo, so it's super easy just to clean it up. You just take the sander and sand it off. So the next step is I took this twine that I had left over from a different project and just wrapped it around each end, just to add a little bit of a decorative piece to it. here they are, and once I attach them to the wall, I will separate them, stagger them a little bit. For my next project, I am using this old piece of wood that I had, and I am going to give it a good sanding just to clean it off, and I want to add a little bit of an edge to each corner. So I will be actually using my handheld sander for that, because I didn't want to cut it. I just really wanted to not necessarily round the corners, but give them a little bit of a definition or a design, I guess. I really wanted to put letters from Dollar Tree on here, but I could not find an H. I couldn't even find another F or an E that I could possibly make an H out of, or an I. So I decided just to write the letters instead of actually gluing them. I think gluing them would have gave it a lot more dimension than what this did, but I went to 3 different Dollar Trees and none of them had it. So once I was done sanding it, I whitewashed it with watered down white chalk paint just to give it a little bit more of a coastal farmhouse look. Then I wrote it out with the pencil where I wanted the letters to go, but the first time around I ended up missing a U, so I ended up sanding it all down again and starting all over before I added the paint. Once it dried, I erased some of the lines from the pencil, and then I went around it with black chalk paint, chalk marker, just to give it a little bit more dimension. And once I was done with lettering, I sanded the whole thing down just to make it look like it's old and it's been around for a while. Well, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy these easy and fun tutorials. These are just fun pieces that I am going to be adding to my bathroom, and I think they just have so much character. And if this is your, like I said, first time stopping by, consider subscribing, pressing the notification bell. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.